Hello, I am Nele van der Velde and I want to introduce you to Zita. We're going to show you today how to use the facelifter. Now Zita already removed her makeup. She did a cleansing with a neutral cleansing product with no perfume, no alcohol, and she already removed all jewelry, earrings, rings, bracelets and watch. So now we're going to start with the first step of the treatment, which is the Detox Serum together with the cleaning program. Okay, Zita, this is the Detox Serum. There you go. You can take like 3-4 pumps in your hand. Okay, thank you. And then you can put it on top of your skin, half your face, and just put it on top. Don't massage it in. Yes, forehead. Yeah. And your neck. Your face is going down till here. Doesn't stop here. No. And you can put it all on. Just a little bit more on your chin maybe. Yeah. Okay, great. Okay, this is the facelifter. You put it on the right side button, and then you see automatically clean, so cleaning program, 3 minutes and low intensity. Now you see 3 minutes, but that is to treat a whole face, okay? You start with half a face, so you work until you see 1 minute, okay? You hold your facelifter like this, because your 2 fingers have to get contact with those 2 electrodes, otherwise your interferometers will not work, okay? And you slide from the middle of your face, you start on the chin, up towards your ear, and you just slide up and down and back, like this, yes. And you can put a little bit more pressure towards the ear and softly back. Good. Next to the eyes, you can go up and down like that. And then on the forehead, yes. And go like that. In your neck you can go down, and just be careful, never go over the thyroid gland, which is in the middle of your neck. Yeah. Okay. That's it. So now you see 1 minute, so that is enough. Your detox serum you always have to remove again, because cleaning program is a negative interferometers, and that pulls out all the positively charged impurities from your skin. So you have to remove that detox gel again. In between you clean your facelifter as well. And then you dry your face. Always make sure your skin is dry before you put a hyaluronic on. Next step in the treatment is the hyaluronic serum we're going to put on your skin, and we're going to use the Nutri program with the facelifter. I'm going to use for you the advanced serum. We've got 3 different serums. You use it the same way as the detox serum. Put 2-3 pumps in your hands and then put it on top of your skin again. As I said, we've got 3 different serums for 3 different age groups. We've got the regular serum for young skins, then we've got the advanced serum for the middle-aged skins, and then we've got the premium serum for the mature skin, so 50+. Just put it on top. Okay. This is your facelifter. Now we're going to switch program with your right button. Press one time, then you see Nutri. Nutri, 6 minutes, low intensity. Now 6 minutes is to treat a whole face, so we do only half a face now, so you work until you see 3 minutes. Movements you make are the same as with the clean program, so also put your fingers on the electrodes and you start the program by pressing on the right side again. Okay, there you go. From the inside out towards the ear and a little bit pressure more up. Always make sure the two electrodes are on the skin together, never over the eyeball and never over the thyroid gland. And then your neck, you can go up and down. Okay. So now you see 3 minutes, and that is enough for half of your face. Okay. Now if you want to change your intensity, you have to press the left button. And then you will see you've got low, medium and high. Okay. The rest of the Hyaluronic serum you can massage into your skin. You don't have to take it off because that needs to stay on. And you clean your facelifter immediately after you've used it. Our next step is the galvanic lift. This is a very powerful serum. You can use it with or without a facelifter. Now today we're going to use it without a facelifter, so I'm going to give you 2 pumps in your hand, which you can put on your face in upwards movements again. So you feel immediately that your skin is going to be very smooth, very soft. It gives an immediate boost because there are very strong ingredients inside there. The first one is the cross-linked hyaluronic acid. We've got Sinake inside, which is a healthy and a safe substitute for Botox. So it's actually going to reduce your wrinkles. It's going to relax your little muscles in your skin, so expression lines will disappear. As I said, that one you can use with a facelifter as well as a mask, and you can leave it on then overnight, so your skin can have the whole night the treatment. Okay. How does it feel? Soft?
Yeah.
And we're going to end the treatment with a day cream. Always put a day cream on top to protect your skin during the day for all pollution and everything that is coming onto your skin, and also make sure that all the moisture stays inside your skin. Okay. Always take your day cream out with a spatula, and it's better not to go in your pot with your fingers. Okay, there you go. How does it feel?
Feels good and smells good.
Yeah, great. So now you've seen how to do the treatment with the facelifter. As you can see, with the bias concept, you can bring professional beauty technologies into your own home and do the treatments yourself to rejuvenate your skin in a very effective way. So I wish you lots of success with bias.